How have you been? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
That's good.
Yeah. We gotta start the project.
I know. Where should we go? It's like noisy here.
Should we just go to the park?
The one by Elmac? Yeah. Do you want to go right now?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Might as well. What do you think about the dance that you have to do?
Kinda, not really. I have a lot of variety options, so I'm not too worried if I have to make it up on spot.
Man, it's your whip?
Yes.
You just got it?
Yeah, I did for Christmas.
I like it.
Thank you.
You know what we could do?
What?
Is like you make a TikTok and then you promote my thing for my class.
Yeah. Do you want me to dance or just
Yeah, it would be a dance, but you just promote my, well, since I'm doing candles and stuff, then...
Do you want me to hold the candle while dancing?
Yeah, yeah. And then put it on TikTok channel.
Okay, so I had this vlog party last weekend, and my neighbors gave me, like, all the extra beer and vodka.
No, they didn't.
Yeah. So, like, if you put 2 and 2 together...
Should we have it? We have
I don't
free
know.
first.
Yeah, but I don't have, like, anything else. I just have the beer and vodka. I don't have anything with it.
I got Sprite in my bag. Let's mix it.
You know that. Food court money like she playing for the Cavaliers. Rent paid, Chanel shades, her hair like, baby, you all of that. You know what's up. Run it back slow, baby, with no hands. What's up? Spin 150s, gon' do your dance. That thing like confetti. Drop that thing like
Okay, look. Yeah.
We left all that?
Yeah. Like, isn't that sick?
How'd they not kill that bottle?
I don't know. And then we also have cups too, so.
Oh, we're on. We're actually on. Let's go.
Okay.
baby, you sitting pretty, your pockets heavy, you independent, you know it. He ain't
Right, or we can
that
save
boy,
it.
give you the it, come to me, cause
Yeah,
I'm
later.
on it. I be like
Good.
Berkeley for my baby. 800 Mercedes, and it rain on me like candy rain. You so for real, girl, do your thing. You know what's up?
Okay, so before we start, let's have one.
Might as well. Damn.
Okay.
Cheers for the project. Let's just go for it.
You guys.
Let's go for it.
Move, 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 move. All you gotta do is just move. Move.
I don't know if I can. Okay, so I'm good to go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna talk you guys. No, cut it. I can't do this. Okay, last time.
Okay, come on.
Just redo it. It's fine. It's
Well,
fine.
we have. Okay, come on.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about my friend's candle business today. Okay.
Okay,
that's
just
fine.
cut.
That's fine.
Should we drink more?
Yeah. Should I pour it and should I grab my cups? How much do you want?
Fill my cup.
The whole thing?
You only live once.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's keep going.
Back slow, baby, with no hands. What's up?
Hey, guys.
Spin 100 that thing like confetti.
Have a
Drop that thing like
project.
confetti. Baby, you know you ready. Drop that thing like confetti. All you gotta do is just move. Move, move, move. All you gotta do is just move.
You're the one that is doing the, whatever you're doing.
You never want to help me anymore.
Whatever, bro. I didn't know what you're talking about. Oh my gosh, wait.
What?
It's my coach. Hold on.
For what?
What's up, coach? How you doing? Yeah, I know about it. I'm out right now, but I could go over there right now. Okay. All right, I'll talk to you. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.
You have to go like right now?
Yes, we have
When
to
does your
go.
week start?
Oh my gosh, I can barely walk.
It's like why is it still got 10 times deeper?
You know, like where? Oh
Oh no! Wait, I'll help you.
this isn't. No.
You have to go back.
We have to. I need water or something.
I don't have any. Do you have any water?
You're not driving.
What are you doing? This is my car.
I've driven all my friends. I've been drunk and I can drive my friends. And I literally.
Okay, well you've had more than me, and this is my car.
Fine, let's go. Go.
I know. seatbelt.
It's stuck.
What do you mean it's stuck? No, forget it, it's fine.
Let's just go. It's down the street. Come on. Can I get the mango dragon fruit lemonade, please?
And then can I have a pink drink, please?
Yes, pink drink.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna see you at school.
You're gonna walk?
Yeah.
I can give you a ride.
Bro?
Yeah.
All right. You just blew the damn stop sign. What are you doing? You almost damn hit a corn. Chill out. Actually, stop. Thank you for the ride.
Of course, no worries. So are you excited for your scholarship?
Yeah. It's what I dreamed for since I was a little kid, and then now it's here. It's like a full circle moment, you know?
Winter Formal was so much fun this year.
I know, the music was really good.
I had the best time.
The lady!
Did you hear that? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, call 911.
I'm calling 911.
911, what's your emergency?
There's been a really, really bad car crash behind Highlander Way.
Take a deep breath. What's the address?
It's behind the taco shop on Highlander Way.
How many vehicles were involved?
There's 2 vehicles, head-on collision, 2 vehicles.
Any injuries?
Yes, there's definitely bad injuries. There's slashes to the face. One girl looks like she's conscious.
Okay, rehab units. We have fire department on the way, okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You're how old?
17.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this, every test, okay, I'm gonna pre-explain it to you, then I'm gonna run you through each test after I make sure you fully understand, okay?
Try fast.
My follow thing.
Good luck.
Same as last time, you're gonna take a deep breath in, you're gonna blow into your ear, see the beat from your
We'll help. The next thing we'll do is help the coroner. We're gonna help the.
Okay, so do me a favor, just turn around. Place your hands just small your back right there for me. Separate your feet a little bit.
Just a favor, can you request like the Omega for them to show up? I don't think he's. That way we can have him show up already and take the body.
Okay.
Okay,
I don't.
Confirmed. If they can.
Yeah, I don't think my microphone's not on.
just listen, okay? You place under arrest for suspicion of DUI, okay? Causing injury, okay? Okay, you have the right to remain silent, including you say you can and will use the instrument of court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present before and during questioning if you so desire, okay? If you cannot afford one, only appointed free of charge. Do you understand these rights? Okay. Here, this is the breath test, okay, that you elected to do. Okay. With this, you're going to assemble that machine out there and take 2 breath samples. You're going to blow in the machine. When it's done, it's going to print out the results right here. Okay. All you do is take a deep breath in, place your mouth on there, and start to blow. And blow. Blow, 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 blow. Keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing, keep blowing. Okay, stop. You remember, like I said, 0 tolerance for under 21, which means you can't have any alcohol in your system. Twice over the legal limit of somebody that's 21 or older, okay? But you can't have anything, so you're 16 times over the legal limit for your age.
Hi, good afternoon. Is this the Nakonda?
This is, I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem. There was a pretty tragic crash today at Helix High School, in front of the school. Your son Logan, that's Craig's Logan, he was a passenger in a vehicle. I want to regretfully tell you that he did not survive the crash.
Can you open your eyes? Hey, how's your legs doing?
Can't feel them.
Can't feel them?
I can't feel my legs. I'll be able to walk.
And we're gonna get you to the hospital, okay? They're gonna take care of you.
Is Delaney awake?
Delaney, we're going to the hospital, honey. The doctors are gonna be able to see everything, okay?
Oh no.
She's okay right now. She's right here next to you.
Delaney, can you hear me? Alright, she's still not responding. We got a 17-year-old female, unresponsive, laceration to the left side of the forehead. We got another 18-year-old male, complaining of lower extremity numbness. How far away, you say?
5 minutes.
5 minutes away?
Two-car collision head-on. Her vitals tanked. She was 90/60. Thready at the carotid.
Somebody check for a pulse. I've got no pulse. Start CPR. Give me an IV going. Get some epinephrine. Let me know when a minute's up so we can check for a pulse again.
Pulse compressions.
Pulse.
For pulse.
Check for a pulse. I've got no pulse. Do we have any pulse?
No pulse.
No pulse. No pulse. Okay, we have a neurologically devastated patient that's presented with no pulse, loss of vitals on the scene. I think unfortunately there's nothing else we can do for this patient. We're gonna call time of death now, 11 o'clock. Thank you all for your efforts.
Male involved in a head-on motor vehicle crash. There was a passenger in the vehicle. He does not have sensation from the waist down. PMS is not intact from the waist down.
What's your name?
Lee.
Lee, I'm your doctor. I'm going to be examining you. Open your eyes. What happened, Lee? Do you remember?
We were coming from Starbucks, going to school, and there's just a big old crash.
Are you having any pain right now?
Maybe on this side. I can't feel my legs.
Can you feel me touching your leg?
No.
So he's got no sensation or motor to his bilateral lower extremities. Okay, I'm concerned he's got a serious injury to his spine. Let's get him set up to go to CT scan. Let's get there as soon as we can.
All right, I'll get the monitor.
Will I be able to play football?
Lee, so I reviewed your CT scan. I talked with the radiologist and the neurosurgeon. Unfortunately, you have a very severe fracture of your spine. It's transected your spinal cord. You're never going to walk again.
Hi, my name's I'm Chaplain. I don't have any news for you. I'm just here to offer you support, okay?
Okay.
I'm Dr. Wyborn. I'm the trauma surgeon that was helping take care of Delaney when she came into the hospital. I'm not sure the exact circumstances of what happened, but she was in a relatively high-speed car crash. We started CPR on her. We gave her a bunch of medications to try and resuscitate her. Unfortunately, despite all of our efforts, we were unable to do that.
Wait.
She passed. I'm sorry to say, unfortunately, she died. I'm very sorry for your loss.
Do I get to see her or what? What's happening?
Yeah, we can arrange for that.
I'm sorry I couldn't be here.
I can't feel my legs. They said I wouldn't be able to walk again. I don't think I can play football no more.
Is there anything I can do for you right now?
No, not at this time, but thank you so much. Thank you.
Remain seated. Come to order. Department 16 of the San Diego East County Division of the Superior Court is now in session. The Honorable Patricia Cookson, Judge presiding. Please be seated and come to order.
The court is calling the case of People versus Kira Roberts, SCE 409-810. Appearances for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Alexander Fuqua for the People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Graydon Rose, Deputy Public Defender and Defense Counsel for Ms. Kira Roberts.
I just wanted to say that Delaney has a brother, Harrison, and her father, James, who is a teacher at Helix. We love her more than she ever realized.
Since the accident, my life has changed. Not playing the game changed my life, and it's been really hard time for me and my family, but I wanted to let Kira know that I forgive her for her mistakes, and I just don't want her to live with regret.
I should have chose a different choice of mine, and that just should have never happened.
This defendant chose to consume copious amounts of alcohol, beer, and vodka. Her BAC at the time of driving was a 0.16, Your Honor. At this time, the people would ask this court to impose the maximum sentence, which is 14 years and 4 months, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Ms. Roberts made a decision that forever changed the lives of many people. And she recognizes that her decisions on February 11 changed many lives. She recognizes that 2 lives have been lost, 1 forever altered. She's requesting that the court take into consideration her lack of criminal history and her age when she made, as she acknowledged, a very irrational and preventable decision.
What the total term is 14 years, 8 months. Okay, in addition to that, the court is going to award restitution to the family of the victims in an amount to be determined.